Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining. If it's your first time here, welcome, and please don't forget to subscribe because this similar content you'll definitely get it. So today we are unboxing a ring light that I recently got. So the ring light is called a ring fill light. So guys, this ring light has 3 different color temperatures that you can play around with, and I'm sure that at the beginning of the video you saw when I was playing around with the lighting and all that. Alright, so I have it connected right now. I'm actually recording using my ring light, so I'm gonna quickly do the same process again and show you the different lighting options that are available. So okay, so this is one of the options that is there, so you can change. As you can see that the lighting is becoming different, and something about this, guys, the nice thing about it is that you can adjust the the brightness of the lighting, the color option, so you can make it brighter, you can make it slightly dimmer. So you see, you can play around with it. So I'm recording, I think it's around 3 p.m. South African time right now, so obviously it's in the afternoon, so there is a bit of light outside, but I've closed my curtains so that I can see how it works. So this is great. You can even use it at night and all that, guys, so it's super cool. All right, so now I've changed the lighting that I was using. I'm not sure which one it was, you see now. Anyway, it's all good because I was actually indicating to you the different options that are available. So guys, that is not all. Something about this ring light is that it doesn't just come with, come alone rather. So it comes with a tripod, and I love the fact that, there's a tripod and it's actually super cool. So guys, this lighting comes with this phone holder, as you can see. So it comes with that, and obviously if you have a camera like I have, you can always use this. But now the challenge with this particular ring light is that it does not have that screw that holds the camera, the camera bottoms, like whatever holder that is, whatever that is. So it doesn't have that thing, so which means this was actually made for mobile devices. As you can see, it comes with this. So what you're gonna do, gonna put it in there. And guys, something nice about this is that you can adjust it, like it's super cool. You can adjust it whichever way you want. So I'm gonna quickly put my phone in there so that you can see. Ooh. Okay, so that's my phone right there, so I can definitely use it obviously with the phone. So guys, like I said, the ring light doesn't just come alone, it also comes with a tripod. So this is a 10-inch tripod that comes with it. So I'm gonna show it to you obviously once it's like molded in and everything like that. So I was just demonstrating with the phone and all right. So something that you have to note, guys, is that this is available at Take-A-Lot. I got it from Take-A-Lot. It was about 1,000 something. I will make sure that I put a screenshot of the price and the tripod itself and the link on the description, of course. So I'm going to show you the tripod, which is the 10-inch, and so that you can actually get an idea of how long the tripod is, guys. So it's important that when you buy your tripod, you actually buy the one that you can use, you can adjust and be able to use it even if you're standing or sitting, and all right, so I'm gonna show it to you now. Okay, so can I recommend this ring light to you? Yes, I can recommend it to you, especially if you are using a phone. Then you are more than happy to buy it because it's very portable. It's not that big, and it has different color temperatures, which I think it's something cool, especially depending on the kind of lighting, or whether you're recording at night. You can actually change and adjust, you know, colors the best way possible. So I can definitely recommend it. And if you're using a camera like I am, I wouldn't recommend. I can actually recommend it. And of course, if you can get that screw that will be able to screw on the ring light, then you can actually get it. But if you somehow don't want to actually go into the trouble of buying a separate part that you're gonna put there and all that, then I would suggest you find maybe an 18-inch, 18 and 14-inch. I think some of those have those screws already installed, so it will be easier for you to even just use your camera without any problems. So, but of course, if you're using a mobile device, this is actually the best for you, so I definitely recommend it. And yeah, you can just check the description and find out how you can get it. And yeah, it will actually take you straight to Takealot, because that's where I got mine. Of course, guys, if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and do comment and tell me what you think. And of course, don't leave without subscribing, you know, because girl wants to give you more content. So how are you gonna get more content if you are not subscribed to my channel, right? All right, until the next video, thank you so much for watching. Mwah.